Hello everyone. Today we are breaking down the business model canvas of Nissan and a global leader in automobile industry. Let's start with customer segments. Nissan targets a wide range of customers from budget conscious buyers looking for affordable and fuel efficient cars to higher end consumers who want premium electric vehicles like Nissan.R.R. They also cater to commercial fleets, riding share services, and government agencies. With a strong focus on sustainability and expanding its customer base through eco friendly innovations like Nissan I.
Customer relationship and revenue streams. See, Nissan bulbs customers relationship that through excellent after sales service warranty programs, financing options, and programs like Nissan Connect. They also engage customers through mobile apps, social media, and personalized strategies. For revenue streams, Nissan earn money from vehicle sales, leasing, aftermarket spare parts, financing, and insurance. Additionally, revenue is generated from electric vehicle charging infrastructure and software-based features in connected cars. Thank you. This is my topic of the BMC video. Thank you.
Person 4 Key resource, key activities and key partnership. Nissan's key resource includes advantages and manufacturing plants, research and development centers. Skilled workers are strong. Branch reputation. This technology in electric autonomous vehicle also given them a competitive edge. The key activities involved vehicle production, innovation in EVs and autonomous driving, marketing and manufacturing, global supply chain. Nissan is also focused on sustainability with heavy investment in zero emission vehicles. For key partnership, Nissan collaborates with suppliers, dealers, tech firms and governments. Their partnership in Renault, Nissan, Mitsubishi Alliance help share technology and reduce cost.
Cost structure. Cost structure. Nissan's cost structure includes expenses for R&D, manufacturing, marketing, supply chain management, and dealership operations. With EV expansion, battery production is a significant cost factor. In conclusion, Nissan's BMC highlights its strong position in automobile market, driven by innovation, sustainability, and consumer-centric strategies. With a strong growing focus on electric and autonomous vehicles, Nissan continues to